Hey, Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja, and we are continuing our attic insulation series. Now we're going to talk about some knee walls and some things that you can do inside those small cubby holes that you might have on bonus rooms or bedrooms. Stay tuned. If you're new to Crawl Space Ninja, we talk about how to improve energy efficiency and indoor air quality by fixing your attic, basement, crawl space, and ductwork. So make sure you subscribe to our channel down below and hit that notification bell. Okay, so this is one of those parts of the house that always gets overlooked. This is what's called a knee wall. Okay, we did this one a little differently most of the time. As a matter of fact, I did a video, and I'm going to put it down below, on how to insulate knee walls, okay? So if you want to insulate this wall and protect it from this part of the attic, watch that video down below. But what I want to show you today is how to insulate this part so that basically the knee wall insulation doesn't really matter. Here's what we did. As you can see in this photo, we spray foamed the roof decking back here and also down here at the bottom in order to give it a good base, all right? We have baffles that go up and into the main part of the attic above us. So that way we're not losing that air transfer from the soffit up to the rest of the attic. Then what the ninjas did was they took some spray foam that you'll find in these cans. By the way, you can get this in the gun in our DIY store down below. You take this spray foam and some foam board and you cut it to size, put it in there, but don't push it all the way up against the roof decking so that you got that air chamber to allow that soffit air to go all the way up into the main part of the attic. This is an R10 foam board that we put up top, and then this is an R5 foam board that we have down here. Now, if you can see in this picture, the roof is 156 degrees today on the outside. Okay, it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon, it's only 64 degrees outside, and the shingles are 156 degrees. And then in this picture, you can see that we're around 80 degrees right here where that same roof is. That's a huge difference in that heat transfer from that shingle roof to the foam board. Okay, so if you're looking for more tips and tricks on how to keep your home cooler in the summer, make sure you check out our attic series. And my name is Michael Church with Crawl Space Ninja, and we hope you make it a happy and blessed day. We'll see you later.